You already know what time it is. It's 7 p.m. PT time. We're getting snagged up. We're throwing the paddle tail. We are not catching fish. Oh, wow. Just kidding. We're about to slam one back there. Get it way in the back. Slow roll it. Just slow roll it out of there. Just come off. He come off. Oh, come off. Wow. Wow, come off. Right where he should have been, right in the corner. Right in the corner of the lake. We're gonna get back in there. Slow run it again. Got him that time. Got him that time. Little dinky donkey. On the paddle tail. That'll do it right there. That'll do it. Barely hooked. Little bass. Right where he should have been in that corner. We're gonna let him go for now. But yeah, I knew I had a bite back there. Something come up, hit it. And boom, there he was. Clear as day. Moving along now. Mod's over here throwing a worm, Texas rigged. I got the paddle tail. Already started the day off with a little bass. Not bad. I'm gonna kind of work my way into the shade just because I actually can't see anything. And I'm not sure if the camera can either. But we're getting it all up in the shallow area and just slow rolling the PT out. Seeing if we can get anything to have a go. Fishing it just subsurface. Just subsurface. And there he goes. Mod's got one on the worm. There we go. There we go. Right where he should have been too. So as you can see, we're off to a good start. Nothing giant yet, but I'm gonna try to get up a little bit ahead of him and just kind of work these corners here. If he starts catching them really good on the worm, then you know I'll switch. But I am kind of leaning towards the paddle tail, especially in, oh my gosh, especially in areas like this where you know you can get way up in there and roll it out where you know there should be some guy in there. This is what I'm talking about. We got debris just chilling out here in the middle. Seeing little shad flicker. I mean, this looks fantastic. Oh, he's in the grass. He's in the grass, come on. He's not big, he's just, get out of that grass, come on. Good God, come on. You're not big, get out the grass. I'll try to scoot us back some so we don't spook any more fish. Covered in grass. That's what we want to see though. A little bit better fish in the grass. He almost knocked the darn paddle tail out. So we're gonna re-screw it in there. Alright, we are untwisted. We are back in action. Shad flickering around here still. We're still in the shallow part. Gotta adjust the camera there. Not sure if that fish is gonna mess things up here. Hey. What's up? That's where we want to go, just a little bit further up there. This is definitely shallow. So we're gonna scoot up here, retuck the PT. We're gonna Get it way out there. Yeah, all this is super shallow. Wow. I just caught one. Yeah. And I just had one come right up to the boat and miss it. And I got it. Oh my gosh. Wish I didn't suck at fishing. This whole area is just... This whole area is pretty sweet.
Imagine come back here with a frog. Bro, you just get a big ass fish.
Under me?
Look, see, look.
I believe it. I believe I'm missing a whole group of fish that I'm not seeing by not throwing a... Oh my God. He missed it. He missed it. Oh. Sugar honey iced tea. I'm kind of going fast just because I know it's shallow. And then, oh my God, he missed it again. He missed it again. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Probably fish one. Well, I'm gonna find 3 of them bitches back here. Back to back.
Oh my days. Oh, wow.
Put this worm up for a minute. We're gonna pull them PTs out. We're gonna play around with them hoes. Oh my God, I had a big ass place on my fucking... Oh, eat it. He got it. He got it.
No way. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Easy.
Thank you.
Woo.
Following behind it, bro. You heard me the whole time.
I literally turned around and I got the wake hit in the paddle tail. You said, oh, I saw his wake, and I turned around and I saw him go shloop.
That's what I'm saying. Slow down. Slow down, cause they be in this whole right side and where those 2 logs are at, and that back right corner.
This is the biggest one of the day.
For sure. I told you that PT.
I'm all tangled.
Put that PT in.
Right, y'all. Maud is throwing a white paddle tail. So you know, I had to do it to him one time. I am going to be throwing for the rest of the day the black and blue 6 cents paddle tail. Dang!
I told you that.
Man, with how shallow it is, man, these fish could be anywhere.
Right on the right side. Oh, you seen that?
Yeah, I might have get him.
Now if I get him first.
Got him.
Ooh, good one. Time your drag, time your drag, time your drag, time your drag. Good one. That's a damn good one.
No, he's just running fast.
It's not good.
Okay, I don't know. He's...
Yeah, that's a good one.
Damn, he's dragging me towards the other bass.
I got a net.
I don't need a net.
Nah, he's small.
Yeah.
Hey, that's about the same size as mine. Nah, he's small. Still good fish though.
Off the black and blue. Off the black and blue. Off the black and blue. Wow, that was cool. They're out here. They are out here.
Hey, how many was that?
I honestly, I don't know. A good bit.
I think I'm in the lead, ain't I?
In terms of, yeah, no, yeah, you are.
Comparison to the front.
Oh! He come off. He come off, and I'm hung in the tree.
Take your time. Don't rush.
Oh!
Inch up there and get.
Happened. That was a good one too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Carrying them, big one.
Oh! 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 He's on! He's on!
I'm gonna throw in there.
Big GT. Dang, he got me in a stick. It's a pickerel.
It is a pickerel. I told you they're in here. That's probably why he hit it so viciously. Oh, a little pit came out and slapped it. Slow down so you don't get down.
I can't. I got a pickle in my hand. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at this. Woo.
I had you. Oh, you threw him in there?
I was not expecting a pickle today. I know we had talked about it.
Throw that rooster tail, you get plenty more.
Well, I don't want to catch any more. That one was enough. But man, was that cool. Good God. Golly. Oh, he's huge. It's another pickerel.
I told you, they get dogs out there. This one, he caught 3 of them.
It's another pickerel. What the heck? Oh my gosh, they're shredding my paddle tail. But the way they hit it is insane. All right. We are back in business with this paddle tail. Black and blue is doing it right. Oh, wow. I just spooked a big one rolling that over him. I threw over him. I didn't know he was there. The water, it looks like...
It's thin, but they
I know. Wasn't expecting a damn snook to be in Georgia.
I'm stuck.
Lost when I was going to get it on camera, but he's... Yeah, he sucks at fishing. So we're going to keep we're going to keep moving. Get to this island.
Hey, I told you they had to get that quarter though.
Right, we've made it to the islands. We're about to head around here, pitch around, see if we can get a couple more bites, a couple more fish before it gets dark on us. I think that is it for the day. We're gonna paddle back, call it a day, fish the islands for a little bit. But it was fun. We hit one corner, found a whole bunch of fish stacked up in there. Got some cool action. And honestly, I'm not gonna complain with that. Not any big bass, but I will take a pickerel. It didn't break me off, so that's always good. But we're gonna call it a night. Head back in, meet up with Maud around here on the island, and that's it for today.